Hi guys, welcome back to my Shizzy channel. My name is Musa Q. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. And today we are all about kaching. We're all about money. You know what, me, I'm all about saving. I'm all about side hustles. I'll always plug y'all. So a couple of weeks back, someone approached me telling me there's this app that is called M4Gem where you can just generate a lot of money. You can work from home, and it's legit. I'm like, okay, tell me more about it. So he took me through what it does and how you can get money from all of that. So I was like, no man, I have to plug my subbies. I have to plug y'all. I have to plug y'all. But first of all, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. Hit the like button. I know you're gonna like this video because it's all about money. Who doesn't like money? Show me one. I'll wait. Okay. Amphigerm is an app that I don't know, like came up with the app. Is an app that collects database of a particular campaign that they'll be busy working on at that particular time. So what it basically do, first of all, there are jobs where you can just complete them from home, and the more you make them is the more you make a lot of revenues. So there are online jobs where you can just do them while you're at home, and then there are jobs that actually require you to go to a site or to go to a particular place where you're gonna be, let's say, gonna be counting how many people are working there and what the building looks like. So you'll need to take pictures of the building and then load them there. It's quite easy, guys. If you're a person who's like, the fact that you're here on YouTube like means you can access like gadget. For a person who knows how to get through a phone, a smartphone, like this is very easy for you. It's a very friendly app. um it's not that difficult. You can just access anything, and it's very easy to learn. So the more you play on the app, because you need to yourself what's the word, you need to get yourself familiar with the app. So in order for you to do that, you need to play with the app a bit. Don't press too much. Don't do it. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna need to download M4Gem. So, guys, I tried it yesterday because I was not busy, and I made 200 rand a day. And bear in mind that I was just I was working, but not working. I was not busy like yesterday. So I took about like 2 hours, and then I started you'll see when you get into the app, the campaigns, and then they'll give you like something to read, and then you'll answer the question. You have to make sure that you answer the questions correctly in order for you to get paid. And maybe you receive 20 rand, you do it again, you'll receive another 20 rand, but a different campaign this time around. And there are also jobs now that require you, since it's level 2 lockdown. So there are jobs that you require you to go to a site, because currently there are construction jobs and spaza jobs where you can go to a construction, you take pictures, and then you just register everything on the app. So these people are just generating database. About why, how, I don't know, but they pay people for you to do the job. Okay, let's move. So you'll go to, I'm about to show you now how to go about this app. So to download M4Gem. M4Gem on your phone, or you can just go to M4Gem on your browser. You don't have to if you feel like you don't, if you like, you don't have a space, or you don't feel like it's safe for you, you can just go online and like not download the app. So there's log in and sign up. I am going to log in because I've already signed up. I'm a member. I've received my first 200 rand yesterday. I also want to help you do that. Please comment down below if you're having any difficulties. I'll be able to assist you. This is easy. So anyways, I do this on my spare time. I do this before I sleep, because I sleep around 3. So between 1 and 3, I'm like, okay, answering questions. It's very easy, guys. Like, It's very easy. Imagine something that will generate you money. Uhleli kowenu, like, hey, and with a lockdown, people losing their job. This is, you can just do this like within a minute. Get a money. Like good money. Okay. Right. So I am going to log in because I already signed up. I already say that. You log in using your cell phone number. Okay, when you sign up, first of all, when you sign up, you're gonna put your details like on a normal app, like name, surname, cell phone number. So your username is the cell phone number, and then you're gonna create a password for yourself. And what else? And you're gonna put your location. Another thing that is important with this app is location, because they're gonna be able to allocate you jobs that are close to you, so you need to keep your location on, right? And then they're gonna ask you a few questions to make sure that you're a legit person, you're not a robot. And your comment down below if you've ever used M for Gem. So my password is, I am putting my password right now, and then submit. Not now. Don't save my password. I don't like my phone when it's just wants to save my password. Why would you do that? Don't allow. And then you've got your, I think I need to record this session. I do. Why? I don't think I need to. And then like it's gonna take you here. Puff, you'll see it. I'll put the video somewhere here. And then it's gonna take you to the screen. Like for now, I have 0 because I withdrew my money because I wanted money. So it's very easy to even withdraw your money here. So you go in menu, and menu you'll see there's your profile, there's spend, there's engage, there's home, and engage, so spend. If you want your money, you can just click on spend, and then before you use your wallet, you're gonna have to verify your number. Okay. And then there's sell. I've never used the button sell because I'm here to make money. I don't sell anything. And then engage. I don't know what engage is for. I don't know. That's why I'm saying, guys, you need to play with your app in order for you to know it. And then there's N. And then N, latest. Dun. I need my location turned on. And then N is for. And then N is where you're gonna start seeing jobs, because today there are no jobs left, and you can see. So every day you look on your app, you gonna land on the home page, on the end page where there are job listed, so you can just go through them. And lately, like, I don't know, abantu abaninzi know about this app. So lately, the minute the job comes, everyone is jumping for it. So you need to keep on logging in on your app as if you're logging on Facebook, if you want to make serious money. And then the jobs, you're gonna get jobs here. So please do make sure that you go ahead, try it out, check it out, and come comment later on. Trust me, it's worth it, because I had my first 200 rand a day. Like, okay, I need to stop recording now. I need to show you so you can go ahead, play with the app, start earning money, and comment down below what you think of the app. If you find it helpful, if you've made your first 1 rand, comment down below, and now I'll see you on the next hack next time. For now, bye yo. Please do make sure that you follow me on social media at Musa_Kubingo. And also, if you also want to share your story with me, remember we're still doing Let's Have a Glass with Musa. You can email your story at musaqubi3@gmail.com. I'll repeat that again. It's musaqubi3@gmail.com. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and now I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.